Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Okay, this is called Doca Seca. Doca Seca. So this is an area in somewhere we call Faichike, which is, I think the translation means like chopsticks because of the tall buildings around in this area. And, but this particular street is just kind of a transit point from the ocean, and we're gonna come around to some boats, so you can see that behind me as well. So we're going to kind of navigate in that way. There's a lot of construction over here. They're also building a train line throughout Macau, but I think this one is just kind of a drainage one on this particular time period. But anyways, we're gonna be checking out Doca Seca and walking through this Faichike neighborhood, the chopsticks, because all the tall buildings stick out everywhere. Kind of cool. And anyways, on the map, it's way up here near the north where there's a harbor. You're gonna see the harbor as well. Anyways, here we go. Doca Seca in Macau. So here's a street that I haven't filmed. I haven't filmed a lot of the stuff in this area. This is called Doca Seca Street. And I'm just gonna mark it by the beginning over here as all this construction goes all the way down. And there's a waterfront. You can see ships right on the other side. So they're doing something to this waterfront, and I'm gonna capture the street before that happens. And there's more cranes over there as well. So there's more things there, and there's more cranes down here. And so I don't know what they're doing exactly, but we're in this Faichike area, and we're going to walk down Doca Seca Street and just kind of see what we can see before it changes to something else. Doca Seca. Just to give you some references, this is to the north, so that would go to Zhuhai border. That's Green Island over there. St. Joseph's University is over that way. And this is this peninsula called Faichike with all these residential buildings in this area. And we're going to be walking down our street here with all the construction. And I'm kind of interested to see how this transforms into something different in the future. But this whole area seems to be a lot more construction than I thought. There's a lot of construction throughout Macau. Looks like the bus is suspended as well. Let me just kind of go in here real quick. So this would be part of a community of people everywhere, tall buildings everywhere. And there's some interesting stuff around in this area. Let me see, I can't remember the name. Don Donkey. There's a giant one-block Japanese place that's not too far from here. And they also put some other stuff like fast food for Jollibee, which is from the Philippines. So you got some residential apartments in this area too. And we'll see what all we got here. This one is like a Taobao shop. Taobao is, you can get like you can get almost anything from mainland China through Taobao. Construction workers are going in that way. We're gonna be going down that way. More construction down this way. I hope they do something really cool. That's what I hope. Sometimes they just tear up the road and they just repair like something underneath, which is what they're probably doing, and they just put it all back, which is probably what they're gonna do. But so pretty cool. So yeah, this is kind of, I think this is also part of Fai Chi Ke as well. Looks like they're building some giant wall right there. We're gonna keep on walking down, but what is that? Huh. We're gonna keep on walking down. Yeah, kind of interesting. It's like a giant wall, but maybe that's for noise pollution, maybe? I don't know. They're going into a residential apartment, which is also covered up too. Huh. Well, there is a waterfront over there. So there is, they might be doing something completely different. You can see some ships out over there as well. Japanese restaurant. Yeah, Macau, there's no shortage of construction. The city is going to be so different in the future. It just keeps changing. It almost looks like they're building like a canal or something. I don't know. But there's a waterway right on the other side of this. Macau street food, Phoenix Cafeteria. Okay. Yeah, I don't think I've filmed this street before that I'm aware of. I'm gonna walk over to the waterfront though. So who are they? Doca Seca. Doca Seca Street. There's a nice rhythm to it. So we are gonna walk down and go to this waterfront area. Oh. Amazing. And then this whole road just follows the waterfront. There's a Korean restaurant over there. Hyundai Shiktang. And there's our and over here is the waterfront. I think they're also doing a lot of construction over here as well. Got exercise equipment. So that was Doca Seca, and then this is going to be the waterfront. The last time I remember filming over here, there was fishermen, and they were fishing over the wall. Yeah, and here's this harborfront area. So if you watch some of the other videos that I did, I was over there on the other side of this water, and I walked on that side of it. But now I'm over on this side. There's a harbor over here, and actually I have taken a boat over here before as well. And I went around all the way around Taipa. It was kind of cool, with a South African captain who slept and owned that ship. Okay. So Doca Seca Street was the one that was right out front of this one. And with that note, we're gonna end our video. So Doca Seca was like right there.
Yeah.